like to rest in my home up in the mountains, the place I love the best. I've wandered to the city in quest of gayer times, but now I am returning to my home up in the pines. So ring your bow, bow bird, you're calling me back home to my home up in the mountains. No more I will roam, for there will be contentment and my heart will be at ease, where the bowbirds call at evening floats on the mountain breeze. It seems I hear the bellbird in the valley far below, and it brings back old-time memories of days of long ago. So I've finished with my wandering, and I'm gonna settle down in this quiet little valley about 40 miles from town. So ring your bow, bow bird, you're calling me back home to my home up in the mountains. No more I will roam, for there will be contentment and my heart will be at ease, where the bellbirds call at evening floats on the mountain breeze. Ring ting